Welcome or welcome back to Suvi's Hair Care channel. To each and all of my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing, for liking, for sharing, for commenting. I appreciate you all. So for this new year, me and my girls, we're going on a hair growth journey, on a hair growth challenge journey. So if you want to join us, I'll be uploading videos like this every week that can help with hair growth. So in today's video, I'll be making a gentle amla and moringa hair mask, and this hair mask is especially made for kids' hair or sensitive hair. This mask helps to strengthen the hair, add shine, and helps keeps kids' coil soft and moisturized without any harsh ingredients. So for this video, for this hair mask, we'll be using amla powder, moringa powder, aloe vera powder, water, and our regular conditioner. So now I started off by putting 1 tablespoon of amla powder into my mixing jar, and I will be sieving our powders today because it's for my three-year-old daughter's hair, and yeah, she doesn't like it when we're taking long in the shower trying to rinse out her hair. So I'll be sieving out as much as I can from out of the powders, so that way no residue will be left in her hair and it will be easier and faster for it to rinse out of her hair. And you'll see the reason why I sieve it. Like, this will be left in her hair, and yeah, that will add to my struggles. So now we're going in with 1 tablespoon of moringa powder, and you can see the way how the moringa package, it's like a package in another package. Which I truly appreciate. And this was me trying not to make a mess with my moringa powder. So let me tell you the benefits of these powders. Amla helps to strengthen weak hair and reduce breakage, while moringa is rich in vitamins that nourishes the scalp and promote healthy hair growth. So this recipe is mild, neutral, and perfect for children hair. And now we're going in with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera powder. Now, if you have aloe vera gel, you can use aloe vera gel in this recipe. You can use 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, but because I I do not have any aloe vera gel at the moment, and I didn't feel like going to the store to buy aloe vera and then have to deal with all of that. So that's the reason why I'm using my aloe vera powder. So after I finish putting all of my powders into my mixing bowl, I just gently mix them together quickly. And now I'm adding in my water, and I'm adding in half a cup of warm water. And once again, guys, this is the process where we're gonna have to take our time. We're not in a hurry for this part because we do not want lumps in our hair mask. No, we do not want any dry powders left inside of it because, as I said, it's for a 3-year-old girl here. And yeah, I do not want the struggle that will come with lumps and all of that in her hair because it's not pretty. So now we're going to just take our time and mix our powders together. So once again, I'll tell you the ingredients. It's 1 tablespoon of amla powder, 1 tablespoon of moringa powder, half cup of warm water, or you can also use chamomile tea for this recipe. Instead of the warm half cup of warm water, use half cup of chamomile tea. And then after we finish mixing our powders, we'll be putting 2 tablespoons of regular conditioner inside of this mask. And we'll also be putting some glycerin, vegetable glycerin, because this is supposed to be a moisturizing mask. So we're going to make it as moisturizing as we can get. So I just put the last bit of water inside of my powders to make it mix. And I'm just gonna continue mixing it, and you're gonna mix until you get a creamy, easy to apply mask. And you apply this mask on clean, damp hair. Indeed, stick around until the end because I'll be showing you how I apply this mask on my daughter's hair. And I apply it on clean hair that when I just finished shampooing her hair from our African black moisturizing African black soap shampoo. I'll link that video in the description box below because I show you how to make it in that video. So that video of the African black soap shampoo will be in the description box below. And guys, this is how it's looking. You can see that the powders, they're done mixing inside of the water. So now I am going to add in my conditioner. So this is me adding in the fourth tablespoon of conditioner inside of the mask, and then I'm gonna add another tablespoon of conditioner. Guys, you can use any conditioner that you want to use in this mask, or if you don't want to use any conditioner at all, don't use it. The stuff for the conditioner is optional. If you want to add oil in this recipe, you can go ahead and add oil. You can add like half tablespoon of oil in this recipe. And as I said before, you can use aloe vera gel instead of the aloe vera powder, and that would even make this mask be more moisturizing for your hair or your child's hair. So now I'm just going to finish mixing this. And at this point, I was like, I think the conditioner that I put in wasn't the right one that I should have put in for this hair mask, because you can see before the mask was looking all shiny and glossy and moisturizing, and now it's just looking like lump. So now I'm going to add my vegetable glycerin, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin in this hair mask. Guys, it's winter time now, so of course we need all the moisture that we can get, and the vegetable glycerin is gonna help to keep moisture in our hair. So now that I add the vegetable glycerin, I see that my hair mask is looking more, it's looking alive again, like it's the shine is coming back and everything. So I was happy about it. So I would say that in my when I'm the next time when I'll be making this hair mask, I would not be putting that conditioner inside of the mask. I'll choose another conditioner. So guys, now that the mask is finished, this is a clip of me showing you how to use the mask. So now my daughter here, it's freshly washed from our African black soap shampoo. the the link will be in the description box of how I make this African black soap shampoo, this moisturizing African black soap shampoo. And we're going to use this mask by applying this mask from the roots to the end. We're gonna section the hair, and then we're gonna apply the mask from the roots to the end, and then we're gonna cover it with a plastic cap. You can leave this mask on, well, you or your child can leave this mask on your hair for like 10 to 15 minutes. That's the least amount of time that you want to leave it on your hair for. But if your child is patient enough, and if you are patient enough, then you can leave it on for up to 35 minutes or longer if you choose to leave it on for longer. But just don't sleep overnight with this mask on your hair, because yeah, there's powders in there. So yeah, I'm just going to continue putting the mask throughout her hair, and you can see that even though I have 4 sections in her hair, the section that I'm applying the mask in, I'm breaking that section up in smaller sections, and I'm making sure that all of her hair strands are being coated with this hair mask. And then after you apply this mask, you're gonna rinse it thoroughly with lukewarm water, and you're gonna follow it up with a light leave-in conditioner, or moisturizer, and you're gonna style as usual, whether it's braids, twist out ponytails, or wash and go. You can apply this mask once every 2 to 3 weeks, and this mask is great for dry, fragile, wow, or breaking kids hair. And you should always do a patch test first before you apply anything to yourself or your children's hair. Avoid this getting in the eye, and do not use on irritated or broken scalp. And this is the me putting in the hair mask at the last section of my daughter's hair, and you can see I'm still applying it the same way from the roots to the ends, and I'm making sure that I part the sections in smaller sections and applying the hair mask there. And my daughter, she was so over it. So guys, if you enjoy this gentle DIY hair masks for kids, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural hair care recipes for the whole family. So this, you can see the amount that I made was just the right amount for my daughter's hair, because it's finished, and this is me now making sure that everything is getting out of this pan. Yeah, I'm that kind of person. At least when it comes to our hair. When it comes to our hair, I'm that kind of person, making sure that the container is scraped and everything is on our hair, because we need this. So guys, if you want to join us on our on our hair growth journey, you can come along with us. I'll be uploading videos like this every week, and you can put your hair in protective styles. uh, the more you leave your hair alone, the more your hair will grow. And yeah, so now I'm just covering her hair with a plastic bag. Yes, I'm covering her hair with a plastic bag, and then I'll be also putting a plastic cap over her hair, and then we're gonna leave her hair so that the mask can her hair can suck up all of the goodness of the mask. And then after, we're going to rinse it out, and I'm going to style her hair in some twists. Let me know in the comment section below if you would like to see how I twist my daughter's hair. Yeah, so this is how she's just looking around, and then she's like, "Mommy, are you done now?" Because she was ready to get out of this bathtub, I tell you. If you've watched till the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, for liking, for sharing, for subscribing, for commenting, and we will see you in the next one.